Okay, what I'm going to be doing is just showing you my homemade bulletproof vest. Real simple, about $25 and all in it, and we'll see how well it does. First we're going to try a CO2 pellet gun, BB gun, and then we'll try a 9mm, and we will see what happens. Alright. That's that. And alright, I can see a BB in it. I can see it took the shot. That was close range, mind you. And don't look like we have nothing came through. Nothing. So it worked. Success. Dead stopped. I could see the bullet in there. Let's see if you can see it. This was very cheap. Bulletproof vest you can make. I'll be showing that on my next demonstration video on how to make this for about 20 bucks. And that's how you do it. Awesome.